So, hi guys. I hope everyone is doing okay. My name is Nontsigelelo Mancane Malo. I'm a proudly South African based in Finland, but guess what? I'm in South Africa right now. I am in Sinton in some beautiful, amazing apartment. This apartment is gagging, honey. You need to gag, honey. So, this is our apron. It's got my brand, and on the this is the back. You can find this apron on our website, which is www.cookingwithnotsi.com. Yes, boo. I know some of you guys are like, the dress is amazing. Thank you, boo. Thank you, honey. So I am making a chicken. I'm gonna make a chicken. Guys, this kitchen is amazing and this kitchen suits me, darling. This kitchen suits me. So, right here, I have these are chicken fillets. And I bought this chicken fillets in Pick and Pay. Actually bought everything in Pick and Pay. But you can find these products. I'm not advertising. I'm not getting paid for saying this. These you can find them all over South Africa. Guys, I just realized how expensive food is in South Africa. You know, I don't know. Is it because the money was in rands and I'm used to euros? You know, when you say 6 euros, it sounds like 6 euros. It's only 6 euros. But when you say, like, how much is 60 euros? I think it's like 6 euros is like what? 1 euro is 18 rand. So it's like maybe 60, 70. Or like maybe 80 rand. You know, 80. You're like, oh, but yeah, guys, food is expensive. I'm going to put this in my sink for now. And I'm going to fry some of this, and I'm going to put some of these in the... Wash my hands quickly. So it's sticky. Our aprons are different. We have other aprons that have pockets. This one doesn't have pockets. So you can't put anything because there is no pocket in it. Let me put my pan and voila. Okay, this still fits. Mom!
Yes, ma'am.
Is this the stove on the wall that says 60A?
Oh, I need to get you sorted it.
Yes, because...
You need a manual for this one.
But I think it's working.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. These things will go back to China if they were made in China. If it's in German, they will go back in German. Aye, Mara, guys, I'm in Johannesburg. If you are in Johannesburg, you can't speak without saying Mara. And people from KZN, hey, KZN. People, when they come here from KZN, they come, you know, a person who come and visits in Johannesburg, it's about 6 hours if you're not from South Africa. To come to Johannesburg, it's 6 hours or 5 hours, I'm not sure, estimation with the car, if you drive. It's like 50 minutes with the airplane if you're flying. So, people from KZN, they speak isiZulu, and here in Johannesburg, they speak Sesotho. It's mixed. Tswana vendors. And then most people in Johannesburg, they have this thing of saying, it's like a slang, Mara, Akiri. Sis. The Durban people will be coming here. 1 week, they're coming back in KZN from Johannesburg. They are saying, Mara, why you shall laugh? It means, why are you sitting there? Mara, instead of saying, why are you sitting there? Uhlaleleni. Ay, Mara, why? Uhlala lapha. Akiri ngiyahamba. Akiri, I'm going. Akiri, Mara kahleni. So, nami, I'm from KZN. You can use any oil, but me, I'm using this. It's canola and extra virgin oil. It's also good for salad. So it's what I'm going to use, honey, but you can literally use anything. This oil is quite healthy. But I would say to you, this was very expensive. It was 80 rand. 80 rand. Like, honey, I was like, you? Like you? I'm cooking. I'm gonna cook. I'm not gonna burn. So, what is this now? No, this one. Almost. Hey, guys, in. What is this? What is happening? Ma! Hi, Bo. This would go back to China, Pell, if it was made in China. Can somebody bring back Prima stove? Guys, do you remember Prima stove? I prefer Prima stove. Okay, now I want this. Yes. Yes. Let's put it on 5. No. Look. Okay. Honey. Excuse my pen if my pen doesn't look good. It is the stains. Remember, in this apartment, it's not my home. So, I did see that there's a little bit of, I think it's oil. Maybe people who were here before. And guys, remember, when you come back from the store, sanitize your things. I did, with my mom, sanitize these, the plastics on the outside, because it's COVID time. Sanitize everything. We have a sanitizer sprayer where we spray. I'm putting everything in the sink because I don't want to touch the rubbish and then come back touch it. This is lemon herbs. Yes, I also bought this in Pick and Pay. Oh, okay, this is open. So I bought this in Pick and Pay. I think it's mixed with some, it's herbs. I wanted to do one chicken, something different. Oh, 2 pieces. Yeah, it's 2 pieces. I hate chicken that is bland. I always want to season my chicken very, very well. Yeah, this video is gonna be very long. Honey, that you wanna, I don't like editing, because some parts when we are editing you don't see, and I feel like you don't learn. Salt plus pepper. I didn't know this is salt and pepper. Wow, this brand now have salt and pepper. Amazing. But I don't want to spice it too much. I think I bought aromates. I can't find my aromates. Okay, put this here, and let me look for my whatever. Ooh. You guys know how much I hate oil. You know how much I hate to oil. Kazi nginomfokazana engiza kumbona after le video. As I have a business meeting after this video. So while this is cooking, let me take out my plate. Why guys? I'm supposed to make this tighter because I will have it. Uloli, why to love? Uloli, why you to love? Uloli, why to love? Uloli, why to love? Uloli, why to love? Now we're sick, can you come leave? Oh, while we're cooking this, guys, what I can do right now You just pump these pieces of chicken and hopefully, I mean, I don't know this chef, this kind of chef. Hi guys, I hate oil. Hi Mara, I hate the oil. I hate the oil. Hi guys, the guys are fine. Outside. That's all. The guys are fine. You can also buy chicken with bones and you can do what I'm doing. This fillet has bones. But honey, take care. I love bones. I love bones. I don't mind a bone. I am gonna cook the bones because I love bones. But I just wanna cut off the chicken, you know. Cut it out. And then there is my bone, and I'm gonna cook the bone. Woo. You're messing up the whole house with chicken. The whole house. Guys, I'm going to go to snack and hey! Snack. Kuno snack and I can't wait for it bath, for that bubble bath. For the bubble bath. For this dish, you don't want your bones to be on your chicken because the dish is not meant to have bones. But I am going to cook the bones because I am me. I know. It's different when I cook for myself and when I'm cooking for someone. I'm hosting people tomorrow, so that should be very interesting. That will be very interesting. I think you guys can see coming right, very right. And what else do we need? We need this. We're also gonna make this, but not yet because I'm scared I'm gonna fail. But we can. I need hot water. Honey, I need hot water. Meg, how do you open it? Let me wash my hands. Let me save the paper. And guys in. Oh, this is for Hey! Oh! You practice you. I'm from the village now. We're not used to these things, though. About what's next? Okay, so how are we cooking without chili flakes? How are we doing this without what? Can. Becoming brown. My stove is on 7, so it's a little bit high. ngabe ngasha ngabe ngasha kayithi ngemnyama hayibo no. Guys, I'm burning this chicken. Let me check first if it's ready. Woo. Remember, I need to wash your knife. We don't have time to wash this knife. I have to look for another knife. They can't have one knife. Perfect. It is done. You don't want to save chicken that is not done. Never, honey. So we're done with this one. Here we are. Amazing. Don't mind the oil. But now there's oil. Okay. And I'll need to clean here. Before anything and everything, let us clean. Okay, so without wasting time, without wasting any time, let's put our, you won't use you anymore? No. Let us put our onion. And a new spoon. We're using the same oil. Yes, honey. I'm gonna add just a little bit of paprika. Then my paprika adds. Ooh, guys, when was the last time? When was the last time? I don't remember. Not too much, about half a teaspoon. We don't want to put too much. I think this is too much onion, but doesn't matter. My stove is on 5, which I would say it's middle. Iphakathi nenza. Phakathi. Hey, when I say phakathi, deep down. Deep. Hey guys, when it's deeper. When it's deeper. But you know what? Hey, what's the things are not here? When you say go deeper, Papa, go deeper. You say go deeper. We're going deep. Deep down. Uthi go deeper, Papa. Uthi Baba deeper. Uthi deeper. Besides. Ooh, honey. But the thing is about going deep, which I think the other gender, not our gender, the other gender, they don't realize something. When we say go deeper, you're not really saying do this No, we are just saying, just stay there a little bit deeper. You know, like, aye. Woo! You feel like you run the world. Yeah, that's not like, who run the world? You don't say girls. You are thinking of saying, Papa. Eh? You feel like saying, Papa, Papa runs the world now. Ah! Me, you wanna say, Papa? Who run the world? Papa run. Who run the world? Papa. But I'm talking about that Papa who go deeper. Who go deeper. Some of the Papa. This is lemon pepper. I don't know why I bought so much lemon. Lemon, this. You can choose when you want to put your spices. I just like mine to be blended from the beginning, you know, of everything. So now I'm going to add, this is celery. My celery. And stir this very well. Okay. And then, honey, while this is being stirred, we're gonna add our chicken. Cooking is very easy, guys. These are our bones. These are my bones. I'm gonna eat them. You know, I'm gonna eat them. Okay. I don't want to crowd this meal with spices and no boo. No, honey. I do not. Just want to coat it with everything. And then we're going to let it cook. For the next 6-8 minutes, we'll be cooking it. Because I'm on the camera, I'm doing this and throwing it away. If I was not in the camera, I was going to do this. Because even you in your house, you do this. You take this one. You do this. So again, I'm doing it too. Don't come for me, I'll come for you. I'm cooking for me and my mom. Don't come for me now. I'll come for you. Nice. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Where is my salt? This salt have paper. Like we don't want blend food. We don't want the food to be blend. Let me see if you guys can see inside. Yes, honey, that's how it looks. Isn't that amazing? Yes, boo. It is fantastic. Let me look for a lid. I'm hoping this lid will work. Okay. I am actually Yagazari. Oh, it worked. It worked! Honey, it worked. So while we're waiting for that, let us the background jam. I don't want it to be a mess of the background. While we're doing this, our water is boiling. Yes, I need a big bowl. I'm not finding any bowl. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna need this as well. So let us open this. This is our chopping board, Cooking with Nonzi. You find them on our website, www.cookingwithnonzi.com. If you support, please do support, because you're not only supporting me, you're supporting the people I work with, the lady that is making our apron, and then the gentleman that is actually making this. Let us support each other. You know, you support me, I support them, we support each other. And the lady that does our apron, she's actually now just doing our apron, nothing else. I think she got 2 or 3 kids. So this is her bread. You know, if you order the apron, please know that you are putting food on her table, not only in my table. Yes, boo. So this is this, and it is like this. So I'm only making this for me and my mom. And I think it's safe to only take this one. Ooh. Why is it okay, guys? It's safe to use this. It's safe to use this. Yeah. Yes, it sits well here. So I am gonna use this half. No, there is dishes in the sink, so I will not block the sink. Don't worry. Skawara. Skawara, I mean Joe's. Skawara. I'm gonna put these on the side. Actually, I'm supposed to put them back. So, just for us not to have too messy kitchen. Let's put these where they belong. They belong there. You belong here, honey. You belong in the sink. Because I'm done with you, and you belong where you came from. So the reason I'm using my sink, it's because I don't want to touch the rubbish place. I don't want to. Pesulu. And cousin, we have our boiling water, which I hope this water is enough. Hey, Smeko. Smack Mac. Yes, Smack Mac. Who's Smeko? Smack Mac. So you want to stock this for 6 to 8 minutes. Please read the packet. The packet do tell you how long you can stock it. So you're just going to stock it here. Nothing else. You're going to see it. I do feel like I need to add a little bit more water. Guys, I want to smell how smack water smells like. Actually, it's the same water, you know. There is nothing special. Nothing special, sis. Nothing, mama. Let's put this here. Let us check. Ooh, honey. Honey, chicken have water, so you don't need to add water. Where is my chopping board? So you don't need to add water. But for everything not to burn, please put the stove on the middle heat. Because you see, if you're not using a non-stick pan, please do put oil. Make sure that your pan is oiled. Because if your pan is not oiled, you will burn the whole situation. The situationship. I don't know how long this has been cooking, but I'm gonna take my bones out because some of the chicken is together. This was fast. It's actually ready. Very, very ready. But let me take the bones out because I'm eating my bones later. So let us taste. Ooh, I love the taste. I'm also gonna taste the chicken. Something is missing. I don't know what. Let's add this. There is chicken spice. Just a little bit because it tastes like something is missing. So I want to have that feel, you know. Not so much, but ish. But that chicken. Guys, I went to Johannesburg, Sandton, Benwood. I think Benmore. The mall is called Benmore. The staff in Benmore, they are amazing. I had a lady who helped me get the Uber. She Ubered for me. I had a gentleman, a guy that was pushing a troll, wanted to help me. I tried to give him 5 rand. He was like, no, I'm just helping you because you are a woman. I mean, batong. And I went to Pick and Pay in Benmore, Sandton. There was a lady called, I think it's Doreen. Oh my God, she was like my child. She doesn't know me as Cooking with Nonsi. Of course, she didn't know me. I didn't tell her as well. But the warmness, you know, the things I bought were over the money that I had in my account, and she was patient enough. Like, it's stuff such a pen more. I also went to Woolies, the service also. It was good. Honeys, just in case you don't see, let me show you. My pen is very small, very, very small. So it is what it is. Batige. So, and then let's cook this, the vegetables that we just added. And remember, the reason that I added my vegetable last, it's because I still want to have that flavorness of the vegetables and that freshness. Or I want my mom, she's my client right now, I want my mom to taste, and it must be healthy. However, sometimes when you're making a stew or you're cooking something else, it is okay to cook the vegetables or they taste overcooked or something like that, especially us as South Africans. Most of the South Africans, we like our vegetable well done, very cooked. Yes, I said some, not all of us. Honey, don't come for me. Don't come for me now. I have said it all. If you don't understand, it's not my problem. I am just saying the only person who can understand me right now is that lady who is okay. Tandazam, we are here and they are ready. Let me just take one. They feel very hard though. Perfect. No, there is no hardness. We're draining them. Okay, baby, let's drain them. You don't need to wash them, not at all. Even the water that comes out is not dirty water at all. And this was 36 rand. I'm gonna need a big pot, a bigger pot or a this was these 36 rand, by the way. I bought it in Pick and Pay. These rice noodles. Okay, honey. Let us check. You don't need to add water. Remember, do not add water. The vegetables have water, sweetie pie. Yes, and the chicken have water, so you don't need water. Okay, let's taste. Don't come for me and say, It's perfect. So let's take the noodles. The stuff is not hot. It's just a pan. No, I didn't want to put everything same time. Uloliwe, yeah. Why do love? Uloliwe, why? I'm gonna still use, but just for control. How I wish you guys can see. There it is. And there is our stir fried. And let's first put these. You can actually even make like this and dish for someone. You can see? Yes, you can eat them like this, but we're making a stir fried, so I added half. Ooh. I put the stove on 1. I added half so that I can be able to, you know, and I'm actually using the wrong. I'm trying to blend everything together, you know. And then we can add the last one. Okay. I used the other pen because this pen was too small. Yeah, I am serious. Very, very serious. Because this is serious. This is serious. This is very, very serious. So, yes, honeys, yes. I want everything to have the meat, the chicken, you know, just blend in. Oh. Why is this chicken running away? It tastes like me. It really tastes like me. I love it. When I serve, guys, usually when I serve food, I don't like to dish for anyone. I always prefer that if I cook, I just put on the table and then whoever I'm cooking for, they can dish for themselves. Okay, honey. We are set. So there we go. Because I had so much noodles, the rice noodles, I will add our chicken on top of here. Remember our chicken? Yes, boo. Remember our chicken? Yes, honey. Put them on top. Some juice. Yes, baby. I'm gonna show you just now because it's ready to go. So let's put some lemon for garnishing. It's COVID season, so lemon come in handy. Or I think for this dish, lemon is good. Hey, wow, mess. That's mess. I'm cutting here lemon. Although it's not easy. It's not easy. Stunning. Phenomenal. Yes, boo. Done and dusted. Honey bears, let me show you. Done and dusted. Look at that. Isn't this yummy? Isn't this amazing? Because there is sun here, and anyway, I'm gonna save it here. I'm gonna set. Oh, guys, Amy. Yes, honey, I hope that you guys are gonna enjoy this meal. Or should I put it here? Don't worry, it's not hot. My pot is not hot anymore. Look at that. Yes. Let's see mom's reaction. Mom? Mommy? Mom? Okay, guys, she's on earphones. She's there. Let's see her reaction. 43 minutes. You, this video. Ma? Buganj. Ma? Ha, girl. Come here. Let's see. You guys, stunning. Your food is ready.
Oh my word. No, it's
Do you like it? I got a kiss. I hope it tastes as good as it looks.
This is amazing.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you so much, honey.
Okay, Ma. So, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this dish. Please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends and share and everything. I love you so much.